Walang makapagtitibay ng isang relasyon, kundi ang nagbuklod nito, ang nagbigay nito, kundi ang Diyos. So una, let God be the center of your marriage. Wives, submit to your husband, then submit to Albert. For the husband is the head of the wife as Christ the head of the church. Husband, love your wife. The purpose of marriage was meant to reveal an earthly human relationship and divine relationship with God. Walking in truth will be a cornerstone for you and for your spouse.
To begin with, I want to thank, praise, honor, and glorify the living and powerful God for all He has done in our lives. After a decade, we stand here celebrating our love and exchange our vow once again. In these 10 years, we have faced a lot of trials and moments of weakness. Yet, through it all, the Lord and our love have been the reason we endured and the strength that carried us forward. As it is written in 1 Corinthians 13:7, all things believes, all things hope, all things, and endures all things.
And so we know and rely on the love God has for us. God is love. Whoever lives in love lives in God, and God in them. This is how love made complete among us so that we will have confidence on the day of judgment. Which said, I do at sa araw na yon, I promise to love you forever. Hindi ko akalain how much joy and meaning you would bring into my life. You only did not bring joy and meaning, but also above it all, you became a blessed or vessel or instrument ng Lord so I can grow and be a husband I am now. Kahit sa maliliit na bagay, you always make me feel complete. Kaya every detailed na bagay, you're there to remind me and you became my mirror when growing gets ugly.
To walk beside you in every season, and to honor God as the center of our marriage. By His grace, mamahalin kita, paglilingkuran kita, pagsisilbihan kita, at patuloy na susuportahan sa lahat ng gagawin mo ayon sa kalooban ng Panginoon. Patuloy akong magpapasensya, magpapatawad, gaya ng pagpapatawad ni Kristo sa akin. Today, in front of our kids, parents, and to everyone here, and to the living God, I renew my vow to be yours, heart, soul, and life, until the Lord calls us home.
You may now kiss the bride.